Hello, let's look at today's trade in Nifty. The first trade which happened as a BYF setup. So it is, you are all familiar with the setup. If not, I'll give you the link in the description. Also here you can go ahead and watch what is a BYF setup. I explained it with 2 hours webinar so that you can understand how to trade the setup. So now comes to this one. See, this is what I posted in today morning. So there was a BYF setup. The price pushed and immediately reversed. This is a BYF setup, right? So I'll tell you what happened among the other traders in this trade. See, it was a gap up around 1% from here. Just a minute. So from this point to this point, right? So it was close to 200 points gap up. So the traders will look for the price will go uptrend, right? So they will start betting on the buyer side. I'm not telling that these traders will always fail, but my question is, what if the trade goes against to the buyers? That is what the question, and that is what my logical trading approach is. So here what happened? So this was our zone, right? I can show you where. So this was our zone today. So this is our zone, right? So what happened? The price pushed up. So there could be a traders who will come and go for a long when the price takes out this high, right? This was a PDH, this was one of our resistance. So people think that the price will go up because it's already a 200 points gap up, and there is a strengthness is showing from the buyers from the morning, from the opening minute itself. So the people will look for a long, right? But what happens? This area we are already expecting a sellers to come in, right? So there is no surprise in this red bar, red candle. So as expected, the sellers are entered, and that creates our BOF setup. That's it, nothing more. So it's very simple. So think logically and understand who is in a strength, who is not in a strength, who is going to face the pain when the trade is going against them. So we'll take a profit out of the traders who is facing the pain and pressure, because this is some zero sum game, right? The money goes from one packet to another packet. That's it. So now BYF setup. So where is the target? So here I'll explain the target. This one. See, this was a BYF setup. This was entry. This was an SL. Where is the first target? This is the first target. Why? Because there is a momentum lag, right? The momentum is completely lag. So I exited 50%. Also there is one more reason. I'll show you why. So look at this Nifty. So this is a higher time frame. So the actual BOF happened at this point, 16,927, and there was one more resistance at 16,892, right? Look at this at this point. So this resistance may act as a support. It may or may not, that is a different, but we have to look at the market structure and understand how things are working there. So it does not act as a support, but I don't want to take more risk. So I exited some position at this point, and I was expected for the next target. Did that happen? Yes, it happened. Also I expected a target 3 as a 16,700, but that doesn't happen. So I was looking at these area and I was studied the momentum, but this momentum was not satisfied. So I exited a few positions at this point, and the remaining takes my SL while coming up here at cost. So in this trade, all I made is somewhere close to 60-70 points, right? This area, somewhere 70 points, no problem. And the second thing, I was not happy to take a trade in this area. This is so important. This is so important. Why? Because the price is coming down and going up. So all I need to understand is whether I'm going to participate in this swing or this swing. I'm not going to participate in this swing because I expected the momentum of buyers will weak. So I don't want to take any entries in this spot. So I have waited for a 2.5 hours without taking any position, right? And look at this. So I was in a in the a call with a mentees group for around 2 hours. So I have say that the buyer strength is weak at 12:56, which is around 1 o'clock. Where is that at? At this point, I have messaged them the buyer strength is weak. So if buyers are weak, what is the another probability? The sellers come enter and take their control, right? That is what happened. And here I entered somewhere around 9:10. All I expected is this is my first target 70 and this is my second target, but it doesn't reach my second target. Before reaching my target, the price reversed. See, I don't know what happened, the price reversed at this point, but I know what is the reason for this. I know what is the reason for this. I know only few things about the market, and I know I'm very good at my setups and my approach. So I keep continuing, I keep trading these things on regular basis, and I'll try to make money consistently. This is what my approach is. So I exited 50% position here, and the remaining takes my SL, and still I'm not participating any trades on this point. The time is 2:13. Still the market is open, the price is trading, but I'm not participated in anything. I don't think I will participate now. Let's see how things goes. So this coming to Bank Nifty, it was real problem. I'm not happy in this moment today, so I'm not touching this so far. If any trades trigger after 2:30 or 2:45 before T15, I may take an entry. Otherwise, no entry, and that's it for my day. So all you need to understand is understand the logic of the trade, why you are entering, who is going to support your entry, and who will oppose your entry. And once you know these things in hindsight, you can be a better trader and you can choose a better trades and make consistent money. So understand the logic, dears. This is so important, right? So practice patience, stay disciplined. Together we grow. Thank you.